Hi everyone, my name is Victor and I'm one of the authors of Technique.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to authenticate to the LDAP server on Red Hat 7 using Autofs. In our previous videos, we've looked at how to configure the LDAP server. We've also looked at how to authenticate, how to configure the LDAP client and authenticate to the server using NFS, alright? And quick one, if you're going to be writing the RHCSA8 exam or the LFCX exam or the SUSE Linux exam, you can just come to this website and click on the RHCSA8 exam practice questions, alright? So I'm going to be dropping the link to this website in the description section below. So it's important to practice before you write the exam, and you should also subscribe to this channel and or subscribe to the newsletter so you can always get the latest updates on the exam practice questions, alright? This procedure will involve mapping the home directory using the Autofs, alright? So in our previous video, we've done all of this. So I'm just going to clear the screen, alright? And I'm going to verify that the home directory has been exported to the server, which we have done that in the previous video. And you can see that it's been exported, alright? So let's see if this has been mounted manually. So we can just unmount the home directory. Okay, so we just start from scratch. So if I just do su to dockers again, you can see that I don't have the home directory for dockers, alright? So to have the home directory, we can install the Autofs utility. So to do that, I'm just going to use the command yum install Autofs. Yes command. The next step to take is to edit the Autofs configuration file and add the home directory and the home directory map file, alright? So to do that, I'm going to open this AutoMaster file. Okay, so here I'm going to add the home directory. I can just do /home etc home.map, alright? So I'm just going to save this file, and then I'm going to create the home directory map file, alright? So I can just do vi etc home.map. So I can input this command, this parameter auto 192.168.170.222, which is the server's IP, right? 222. Okay, then home, going to use ampersand. So the first column is that every user folder will be mounted, alright? And the second column, which is the FS type, is the file system option, which is auto, alright? Any other option can be used. And the third column is the NFS share path, alright? So I'm going to save this file and I'm going to start the Autofs service. Autofs. So now I can log in with an Adap user. So I'm going to do su dockers. So you see that I can log in. If I do pwd, if I do of course I'm dockers, and I can also list the content in here. You can see the test1 content here as well, alright? So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and bye for now.